guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a FabFitFun unboxing. You guys can see I have a massive box. Hence why I'm on the floor today. So if you guys want to see what is inside this box, thank you, Bob. So I am here with a FabFitFun unboxing for you guys for spring 2021. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did a little extra shopping during one of their annual sales or something. It's late at night. I figured I wanted to film this because there are so many fun products inside that I want to play with them. I upped my subscription and now I'm an annual member. Felt I could justify for all the boxes I've had in the past, and the total value of everything totally exceeds what you pay for it, and it's literally like Christmas every couple months. One of the things I picked up at the sale is this blanket from Untitled, which there was a tag on here. I think I got this for under 30. I'm just gonna get cozy. Like, we're here getting unready and like having fun. It's almost kind of heavy, like a weighted blanket, which I have conflicting feelings about weighted blankets. The one thing I really like about FabFitFun's like sales is that they do a lot of bundles, so you get more for your buck. This face masks variety bundle, it came with 9 masks in total. I will have to try to find my receipt from when I ordered everything. This is a Korean brand. I've never heard of them, but there's a bunch in here. Something else I picked up in the sale was the Beauty Crop Avocado Depuffing Eye Masks. There are 30 pairs in here that you get to use. When I do a face mask, I always try to do like either a lip mask, eye mask, something. And I like these because they're all in one little convenient case, so that way I'm also not wasteful when it comes to like individual eye masks. Another thing I picked up during the sale, I think it was during the sale, maybe I picked it up during like subscription renewal whenever you open your enrollment, a 2-for-1 bundle that I got from Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer and also the Truth Serum. I want to say it was Laura Beverlin on her IG talked about these. I want to say maybe it was the Truth Serum because it helps with like dark spots and things. Sis loves her Milk Makeup one, but it was a 2-for-1 deal, and I want to say I got both of these for maybe $19. The one thing I was legit the most excited about in the sale that I picked up, oh god, this is embarrassing. Can I get a drum roll? My ring like totally ruined that. This is the most adult like you'll ever see me. The Home Innovations High Power Car Vacuum Cleaner. I legit forgot that I ordered this. This came separately from everything else inside the box, and I was like, what the heck? I don't remember ordering anything from Home Innovations. Open this up and I was like, oh, all right, get out of here. With upgrading to annual, you get a little bit more customization with your box, which I kind of like. So many goodies inside. Like always, we have our FabFitFun publication here that gives you little tips and tricks about all the products that were across all FabFitFun boxes. Sis is gonna need these on so she can see. The first thing I'm gonna pull out, where are you at, dog? So we have the $1 Billion Brushes Pro Brush Essential Kit. 6 brushes inside here, and this retailed for $62. We all know that I've been the biggest like advocate that brushes are just so expensive. And 6 brushes for $62. I'm not good at math. Oh, good, you do tell me what you are. Hey, a contour brush, eyeshadow. That's an eyeshadow brush, eyebrow brush, a highlighter brush, a powder brush, a foundation brush, and an eyeshadow brush. There's no artificial dyes. Excuse me, that burp was not artificial, that was legit. They feel pretty good quality, and I would think for $62, a set of 6 brushes, and it's a full face light. Like, this is a pretty good bundle if you were gonna maybe gift this to somebody who needs to build a collection of brushes. So next, this is the Elemis Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, and this guy retails for $48. I know Emily over at Champagne and Chanel has talked about Elemis. It's one of those up and coming brands that I've seen a lot of influencers talk about. I'm a little bummed that she got like a little mer. She got a little mer in the packaging, but that's totally fine. It's not going to affect the product itself. $45 for a 1.6 fluid ounce bottle is very pricey, and that is the one thing I've noticed with Elemis is that they are on the pricier side, but from everybody that I've heard talk about them, they really like the product. What does the papaya smell like? It smells like sunscreen. It smells like banana boat. This was something that I picked out because as a annual subscriber, you get like more choice with your boxes. So I picked this up. Come on. The Joy Dravecky Chloe ring. She retails for $75. Pump it. That's what she looks like. I like how she's adjustable, so she can literally go on any finger. besides that one. Thought it was really pretty because I'm always looking for like gold accessories. I just think that gold is something that looks good on my skin tone. For a long time I didn't think it did. Looks as if it's like an emerald in there, but when you look at it in different lights it kind of shifts and changes. She just looks like a family heirloom, but like little did you know I got it in my FabFitFun box. Don't tell anybody. It fits me perfectly. I don't have to adjust it. I love it when FabFitFun sends me jewelry because like I don't usually buy jewelry for myself and I never know what to buy for myself, so I like it when other people can pick it for me. We have here, these are the, what are you? Who are you? SFGLOW Suns Out, Pouts Out lip masks. There are 4 masks in here and this retailed for $16. Like I said before with the sheet masks and the eye masks that I bought in the sale, I love doing lip masks, but I can never find any that I like. Every night I do my Lineage Lip Mask, which is just really a glorified chapstick. But I do that every single night. I'm really excited to try it with the face mask and the eye mask and just have a whole ass self-care day. If my lips can look like hers when we're done, that'd be A+. Thanks. Next we have the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil, and this guy retailed for $28. This is gonna give me a lot of similar vibes to the, oh boy, the Sol de Janeiro and Panina Sunset dry oil. She doesn't have a smell, so if you're fragrant sensitive, that's good. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Ignore my fake tan. We know that I'm not very good at this. I put some on the back of my hand here. It absorbed really quickly, which I do like, and it gives a beautiful shimmer, but it's not like chunky glitter like it looks in the bottle. The bottle looks very intimidating because it's like a yellow gold. I don't want to be walking around like sparkle fish. And I think with spring and summer coming up, that's going to be really nice to like put on your shoulders, your décolleté area. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret here. One of my all-time favorite tricks is to use a dry body oil that has glitter in it. And on the days that you don't shave, when you wear your short skirts and dresses, ain't nobody gonna notice. Cause like you're gonna blind them with your legs. Who's gonna know that you didn't shave? Who knows that you're a little prickly? A little prickly pear. Not anymore. I tell you, that's just gonna change your life. Do it and let me know if you do. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of that. And I think with the color of the self tanner I'm using, that's gonna just be so complementary to one another. I can't wait. Human and Kind Hand Scrub, Elderflower and Raspberry. He retailed for $15. Okay, ooh, spicy. This is a hand scrub. Now, I do my own nails at home most of the time. Not every time when I do my nails do I do like a full manicure. Being that we still live in a pandemic, you should be washing your hands for 20 seconds every time. Sing the alphabet twice or twinkle twinkle little star. I think whenever I do my manicures once a week, this might be like a fun little extra step to put in. So if my hands do get a little dry, the SAIE, SAIE reusable beauty rounds. It comes in a 3-pack and these retail for $15. Let me in. Oh, I hated how that felt. So these are more or less going to be similar to the makeup erasers that I have fallen in love with over the last year. The one thing I really don't like about my makeup eraser is that like I use it a few times before I wash them, and I have a couple of them stockpiled, but they get like just a little funky smelling. I like how they're double-sided. These would be great for travel if you don't want to bring like a makeup eraser with you. And then the last thing inside our FabFitFun box, last thing, this little duffel bag. And this is the Allison Olivia Daisy Print duffel bag. And this retailed for, excuse me? This little guy retailed for $150. $150. For a tiny, this thing is little, like little. My gym bag is bigger than this. The gym bag I haven't used in a year, but I think her size could be very deceiving. So she's got a pocket over here, which like if I were to use this as like a weekend duffel bag, I would put like my accessories and jewelry on this little inside pocket. She has a pocket on the outside over here that, do you close? You got a button on you, but like, oh, I see. Do I understand? Oh, she does. She's got 2 side pockets here. So that's, ooh, there's stuff falling out. She's got a pretty flat, sturdy bottom. So like stack your shoes along the bottom here. 2 little handles here. And it looks like she does have a crossbody bag to her, which will collapse on the other side over here. I think this is definitely a weekend tote bag. This is not you're not bringing this on a week-long vacation, and if you do, God bless you, teach me your packing ways, because I don't know. She's got buttons on the side, which I think is going to take away some of your real estate when it comes to packing. I travel light when I do travel. I don't even think I could travel this light. So that was everything that was inside my FabFitFun box this season. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new FabFitFun unboxings, along with other videos. Grand total for everything inside this box. I think everything in this box retailed for just about $400-ish. Let's talk about that though, because the duffel bag itself was stupid expensive. Trying out a brand that I've seen a lot of that I want to like test out is exciting. This ring, adorable. I don't know if I would say that this is like my favorite box I received. I think being that it's my first box as an annual subscriber, I really liked it because I had a lot of option of what I wanted to choose in this box. I am not disappointed by anything that I got in this box. These are all products that I will find myself using in any sample that I can. I will be sure to list all the products down below, and I will be sure to link my website over at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, where you can find out what I'm doing or what I'm up to over there. And I'll also be sure to list all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and go play with these products. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you, always stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, I gotta really crawl for this one. I know we're sliding down. You see me in my sweats? You can't say we're not internet friends, because like you're seeing me for all of me in my glory. I don't know what to do with my hands. It removes dead skin scalp every time. Next. Don't expect a lot here. Your bar's here, it should be here. Upgrade. Let me upgrade ya. Scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no good from me. We're trying new things here. I don't know if I'm gonna like any of it. It's a wrap.